Hey, this is Sean from Sean Cole Enterprises. Um, just stopping in, making a short video to discuss royalty with you. Um, I know royalty ran a promotion last week. It ran from Friday to Sunday at midnight. I was a little late getting the information out, and for that I apologize. So this is what I'm going to do for my people, for everybody that signs up and gets their devices or decides to join royalty underneath of me. I am extending that promotion to $30 off of basically waiving the activation fee. I will continue to do that until the end of the month of August. It is today's date is August the 20th. I'm running this promotion personally for my people until the end of the month because I was late getting the information out. So I'm going to bite the bullet on that and I'm going to put money back in your pocket. So if you're interested in purchasing gems, the NF gem, the 100-meter gem, that's what they're running the $30 promotion on. That's what you get the $30 activation fee waived off of that particular device. Okay. If you're interested in joining royalty, you're going to need to have that beacon, that gem, to show to prospects, and I'm going to be waiving that activation fee for you, for so that you can get started and hit the ground running. And also, for members on my team, I still have the complimentary resort stay contest going on to the end of August. Three locations: Cancun, Orlando, or Vegas. Take your pick. Whoever wins, let's get these sales, let's get this money. Like I say, I'm extending the $30 waiver of the activation fee on the NF gem, the 100-meter gem. Sign up. Let's get this money. Holidays is coming. Let's go. This is Sean Colton Enterprises. Check it out. If you have any questions, you can reach me 410-929-3390. I'll be waiting to hear from you. Let's get it, man. Let's help these people out. Let's help ourselves out. Let's get this money together. Remember, you have to give value to get value. Have a great day.